Colors race from mountains. Hi, kids! Colors race from mountains. Hi, kids!
Hello, kids! Hope you are doing well. What are we gonna learn today? Let's see! Hi, kids! Today we will learn to colors together. Are you ready? Let's go!
Red road, red car, vroom. 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 Red. Yellow road, yellow truck, honk. 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 Blue bus, beep beep. Beep beep, blue. Blue bus, beep beep. Beep beep. Orange road, orange jeep. Vroom. Orange road, orange jeep. Vroom. Purple road, purple van. Beep. 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 Green road, green tractor. Chug chug, green road, green tractor. Chug chug. Green road, green tractor. Chug chug, green road, green tractor. Chug chug. Pink road, pink helicopter. Whir. 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 Pink. White road, white taxi, honk. Road, white taxi. White road, white taxi, honk. Road, white taxi. Yay, colors! Favorite color? Bye! Yay, colors! Favorite color?